Well, guys, I'm back with Essence Invest. I have another cryptocurrency to look at as far as what I will be buying before the next bull market. Right now, crypto is, I can say it's safe to say we're in a bear market. The trend in crypto has been down right now, which gives us time to, accumulate. So right now is a very interesting time because we are waiting on the outcome of the Clarity Act. So, you know, nobody knows what's going to happen with the Clarity Act. A lot of people feel like the Clarity Act is going to get passed, which also would open the floodgates for the crypto industry, even more than what it is right now. We already have big institutions investing in crypto, setting the railroads for crypto, and we're going to have even more money coming in once the Clarity Act passes, or we have some type of bill that passes that gives people clarity on, what we're able to do when it comes to crypto. So this one on my list for tonight is hyperliquid. Hyperliquid. But what I would like for you guys to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I will be keeping you up to date with the crypto market and also giving you pointers when it comes to technical analysis, basic technical analysis that will, really help you along your investing journey and just, overall keep you up to date of what's going on and, you know, keep you up to date on what the narrative is in crypto. So right now, for me, I'm all in on real world assets. And so we're talking about hyperliquid tonight. The reason why I am pretty bullish on hyperliquid is because when I look up and do the research for the best performing altcoins for 2025, 2026, hyperliquid comes up as the top two, trailing Solana. So Solana was number one, hyperliquid comes up as number two. The reason why I'm looking at this one opposed to Solana is because Solana, which I still love Solana, Solana's a great cryptocurrency. Not financial advice, but I like Solana. But as far as more opportunity for to make a profit in my investment, I'm looking at Hyper because Hyper is right now at a $13.9 billion market cap, and Solana is at a 44 billion market cap. So as you can see, there's a lot more upside when it comes to hype. And the tokenomics of hype is what makes people gravitate to this because as far as an investment concern, it's because Hyperliquid has a path to revenue. So Hyperliquid makes a lot of money generating fees. So it's basically a platform for trading perpetual futures. And now you can even trade stocks on Hyperliquid as well. So this is in comparison to like a Poly Market or a Kelsey. But I would say this platform is more efficient because of its tokenomics as far as an investment is concerned. So what the tokenomics is, basically there's buybacks on this token. So there's a fund that's generated based off of the fees that's accumulated, and those fees are used to put back into the token, basically to buy, to continue to buy the token up. So it helps because that can make the token deflationary. Those tokens can be used for burning and also to be invested back into the project. So there's a clear path to revenue when it comes to Hyperliquid. So this is a market favorite just based off of the numbers. It's a market favorite. So right now it's number 9 in market cap, and because it has that clear path to revenue, they have a plan to generate revenue and to make this token deflationary and, basically have a clear path for the price to go up. So this is why this cryptocurrency is on my list to buy. So right now it is currently consolidating. Let me take a look at the range. So yes, it's consolidating between $54 and $55. So right now it's $55.16. And I'm not seeing a lot of data for long-term technical analysis on this right now, but if I look at the weekly chart, let's take a look over here. For the weekly chart, make sure I can see all of the indicators here. Here we go. I'm not really showing a lot of information on, not really showing a lot of information on the MACD, which the MACD gives me like a clear understanding of what a price is headed. Right now, the MACD is not showing a lot of information. I'm looking at the weekly again, and the MACD is showing a negative 0.9. So looks like there may be a bit more divergence there to the downside. Okay, and then, but the moving averages is telling me a different story for the weekly average. But again, the MACD gives you more of a foresight of what's to come. The moving averages are pretty delayed. So right now, the moving averages is showing kind of bullish right now. But the reason why I feel like it can still go down is because it looks like there may be a bit of divergence populating there on the MACD. So it's still in consolidation. When the token is in consolidation, it's pretty much, it can go either way. It can go up or down. So it's still kind of early to tell. Once you see, like, I would say more activity on the MACD, that would give me a more understanding of what a price will be heading. But right now, this is at like a buy and hold area at the price of $55.14 because it's down from its all-time high. This cryptocurrency has reached its all-time high of $76.87 in mid-June. So right now we're in August. So it's down just a bit from there at $55. So that's a pretty good discount. But again, it is consolidating. So, while the cryptocurrency is consolidating between that range of $54.55, we really don't know which way it can go. But as far as a long-term investment, I am bullish on this I would confidently buy at this price and hold it long term.